Microsensor, 50 years of legacy, technology focus, customer-centric, committed to establishing a globally recognized sensor brand. In 1971, the first sensor research institute in China was established in Baoji, giving birth to the country's first commercially piezo-resistive pressure sensor. In 1993, Microsensor was officially restructured and established, launching a wide range of sensor products and solutions to the market. Adapting to the trends of the times, the business is rapidly expanding. After generations of inheritance, perseverance, and innovation, Microsensor has evolved into a global industrial automation instrumentation manufacturer and solution provider, delivering exceptional products and services to over 20,000 customers in 100+ countries and regions worldwide. Professionalism stems from focus. Microsensor consistently prioritizes R&D and invests significantly in self-built laboratories meeting CNAS standards. With a technical R&D team of over 100 personnel and possessing a total of 213 authorized patents and software copyrights, including 17 invention patents, Microsensor also actively participated in the drafting of 9 provincial standards and professional standards. These have contributed to the sustained global industrial competitiveness of the products. Based on years of project experience in the field of industrial measurement instrumentation, Microsensor provides customers in industries such as oil and gas, new energy, food, pharmaceuticals, power, chemical, papermaking, aerospace, and marine with end-to-end technical services and solutions. The products have obtained certificates including CUL, ATX, IECX, CSA 3A Heart, MACCS, DNVGL, SUN, ensuring on-site safety and precise measurement and control. Microsensor focuses on pressure, level, flow, and temperature measuring instruments and solutions, establishing 4 industrial parks in Xi'an, Baoji, and Shanghai. With an annual output exceeding 3 million units, Microsensor has been honored as a national-level, specialized and sophisticated, little giant firm, a single manufacturing champion in Shaanxi province, and one of China's top 10 pressure sensor companies, among other accolades, winning the market with quality, connecting partners through service. Microsensor will always focus on providing high accuracy and high stability measuring instruments for the global industrial automation field, striving to be your reliable partner in sensing and measuring.